difficult question. When I hear the word ugly, I mean, I guess the first thing that comes to mind is probably something unappealing in some way, or unattractive or repulsive. But I don't necessarily think that the way that the things that we call ugly are necessarily ugly. I actually think that reality is interesting, it's not necessarily unattractive.
Lisa, because COVID has been a balanced year for Bollywood, but for you, in your personal opinion, for you personally, how has 2014 been?
2014 has been an amazing year. I think it's been absolutely fantastic. So many things have happened this year, and oh gosh, it's so weird. 2014 has been an amazing year. I mean, so many things have happened this year that have been quite extraordinary, and I've been really grateful for it. It's been a full power year.
Okay, Lisa, it's Salman's birthday on 27th.
Oh, it is?
So what is that one unusual thing that you would like to do?
Oh gosh, I haven't thought about that.
No, anything that comes to your mind that suits Salman's personality, or anything that you should have?
I don't know. A motorbike? A bicycle?
Any Bollywood project that you think doing?
Hopefully we're talking to a few people right now, so you'll see something in the next couple of weeks. Thank you.
Lina, one last one. How are you planning to celebrate your New Year?
I am going to South of Goa with my family for New Year, and we're going to have a family holiday and spend it all together.
New Year wishes.
Happy New Year. Have a very prosperous Happy New Year and a very Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas to all of you. Mwah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Which way? This way. Okay. Both sides or one side?
अब आइए आपकी पिक्चर है सर अरे यार जा दो पिक्चर है कम Well, of course, it's a special movie for me. I'm back after 8-9 years, and I hope I'm looking the same. So I can start from here and new innings. I can start from here and new innings, and of course, it's a terrific film. It has been received so well overseas. It's traveled a lot over the world. It's gone to Cannes Film Festival. It was a New York Film Festival. It went to Buchan. It won many awards and accolades. I'm sure that people in India will also appreciate and love it. The first thing that comes to my mind when I listen to the word ugly is ugly times that these days we have. I mean, terrible times. I think, beauty is lost somewhere actually. There is a lot of ugliness right now. In fact, if you see, this movie has a kid which gets missing, and these days so many of these cases get unreported. And Kailash Satyarthi and Malala Yousafzai, they got Nobel Prize because of their work with the children. And also, of course, we know that what bad times there were in Pakistan recently, and horrible things are happening with kids. So for me, ugliness is that. New Year plans, maybe I was thinking of going back to my hometown Kashmir, but since now this movie is releasing, so I will be busy in the promotions, but I might just go to Mussoorie or somewhere. I want to see snow. 2015, I want to explore. I think this is the right time, very good time for me. This year has ended at such a good note, And I think 2015, I'm looking forward for many films. I have another film with another great director, Sudhir Mishra. It's called Devdas. And then I'm looking forward for many such movies. Yeah. Yeah, I was nominated in New York Film Festival in the lead actor category. तो अच्छा लगता है जब लोग आपके काम को सराहना करते हैं, आपके काम को आपका काम उनको अच्छा लगता है, तो ऑफ कोर्स हर एक्टर को अच्छा लगता है। और देवदास तो 75% कंप्लीट हो गई है। एक्चुअली वी वर सपोज टू शूट राइट नाउ, लेकिन ये रिलीज हो रही है अगली, तो हमें शूटिंग पोस्टपोन करनी पड़ी। We'll be shooting last schedule from January first week in Delhi. I wish all of you a very, very happy, prosperous and peaceful New Year. I was part of.
See, I can't find a word for the experience. Great experience, learning experience, all sorts of experiences an actor has. If I say that this has been a different experience, it will be a cliche. So it's been quite a unique experience in the sense that none of us were given a script. So I called up 5 days before the shoot. I called up Vikram Motwane and I said, Anurag Kashyap is not picking up the phone. Has the film been delayed? He said, no, the film is on time. Monday you have to report. I said, but where is Anurag Kashyap? I have never met the director. I mean, he's my friend. But on the film I had never met him. So finally on Saturday night, Anurag called and he said, बस सर आप आ जाओ, Monday morning को shooting शुरू कर रहे हैं. So then I said, okay, if that's the way you want it. So I went to the set completely unprepared. Only my costumes were done. When I went to the set, Anurag said that scene रखी थी आपकी vanity में पढ़ा. I said नहीं, जब पहले नहीं दिया तो अब क्यों पढ़ूं? So this is the only project in my career in which I have gone in completely unprepared. So it's a complete surrender, not to the script because I didn't know what the script was, I didn't know what the story was, but complete surrender to the maker. So and I told him these words. I said, this, now hold my little finger and walk me through the film. So I was like a child. So let's just say that I had a very childishly growing up experience this film has been. See, I don't consider myself able enough to give anybody advice, but I will just say that a wise man once said that, you should aim for the stars always. The possibilities are endless, so talent, at the end of the day, somewhere it gets recognized. No, of course. I mean, Shah Rukh Khan is a Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan is a Salman Khan, Amir Khan is a Amir Khan. All those people are there. They've done a huge body of work to be where they are today. And of course, they are. So compared to the work Mr. Bachchan has done, then there's the other rung, the Khans, and then there is another rung, and then there are we who are still, trying to, not we but me. We are trying to. I'm trying to find my way up the ladder. But so yeah, but like I said, there's hope. not to get anywhere, not to compete with anybody, at least me in a personal capacity, but to try and do as much good work as possible. That's the dream.
What are your new plans? New Year is around the corner, so what are your new plans and what do you look forward in 2015?
I don't look forward to anything. I just wake up in the morning and I thank God that my eyes opened, that I'm still alive. I look forward to the new day and doing good work in the new day. I look forward, then I look very, very forward to my kids growing up well. Other than that, I don't look, there's no expectations from the world or from life in general. Newer plans, unfortunately, I'm doing 2 TV shows. So, my family is going to Goa. I'm going to Goa, but I'm doing an outdoor shoot in Goa, so it'll be just the evenings. Yes, of course. So from my end, from my side and my family's side, I wish you guys an extremely Merry Christmas and a very, very Happy New Year. And whatever expectations you have from 2015, may they get fulfilled and keep getting fulfilled all your lives. Sorry, sir. Sorry to keep you waiting.
Yep. Hello. अगली वासीपुर के बाद मैं ऑफिस में गया और अनुराग सर ने बोला कि मेरी नेक्स्ट फिल्म है जिसका नाम है अगली, तुम वो कर रहे हो। एंड आई वाज कि मुझे स्क्रिप्ट बताइए, क्या है, कहानी बताइए। एक्साइटमेंट इतनी थी, बस एक नेक्स्ट फिल्म करने जा रहा हूँ वासीपुर के बाद, लेकिन उन्होंने कुछ बताया नहीं। एंड आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग कि ये अगली कौन से जोन में जाएगा ये पता नहीं है। एंड मुझे जो बताया गया कि आई एम प्लेइंग अ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर एंड कैरेक्टर नेम इज कन्या, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ मालूम नहीं था। एंड हम लोग फ्रॉम डे 1 से लेकर के शूटिंग के लास्ट डे तक हम टोज़ पे खड़े थे। हर कोई एक दूसरे से स्क्रिप्ट शेयर करता था कि तुम्हारे पास क्या आया, मेरे पास ये आया, कहानी कुछ बन रही है क्या। तो किसी को पता नहीं चला लास्ट डे तक, जब तक खुद अनुराग कश्यप ने नहीं बताया कि ये हुआ है। तो अगली एक एक्साइटमेंट था, अगली हम लोगों को टोज़ पे रखा। ये एक साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर है जो सब लोग जानते हैं, और ये साइकोलॉजिकल गेम उन्होंने फ्रॉम डे 1 हम लोगों के साथ प्ले किया, जिसे खेलने में काफ़ी मज़ा आया। मैं एक एक्टर हूँ, अच्छा काम करना चाहता हूँ। अगली साल के अंत में ये हम लोगों के लिए क्रिसमस गिफ्ट है, न्यू ईयर का गिफ्ट है। एंड अपनी फिल्म थिएटर में होगी, तो लेट्स सी अगले साल जो भी फिल्में आए अच्छा काम करूं, दैट्स इट, यही चाहता हूं, नथिंग मोर देन दैट। खुश रहिए, जो घटनाएं हम लोगों के प्लेनेट पे घट रही हैं ऐसा किसी के साथ ना हो जो अभी हुआ पाकिस्तान में, ऐसी कोई चीज़ ना हो, कहीं भी ना हो। लोग खुश रहें, खुशियाँ बांटें, मैं भी खुश रहूं, आप जो चाहते हैं आपकी इच्छाएं पूरी हों, दैट्स इट। थैंक यू, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
Hi, how are you? Seeing you guys often now. Dark, something nasty, probably. But seeing all these posters, I just feel it's going to be very, very interesting, and that's what I'm looking forward to. I've come for a movie, so I feel that I should be simply dressed. It's not a fashion event. When it comes to a red carpet event, or when it comes to a fashion event, I would dress up like that. But I don't think that you should be just fashion conscious wherever you go. I think it's a movie. I've come to a PVR.
I'm not gonna be like really glamorously dressed. But yeah, I like being comfortable in what I'm wearing. That's all. No, Tanya Gabri is my stylist, and so she styled me for it. So, unusual gift. What will I give Salman Khan? Yeah. I think probably something that gives him happiness. You know, I don't know. Maybe if he likes pets, then maybe like a dog or something that he really would feel happy with, and you know, would just because what happens is we're so busy with our schedules and it gets tiring, and you know, those little moments of happiness is something what we look forward to. So I think birthday, of course. You'll say this one getting married, that one getting married. So difficult. Okay. Three Khans doing movie together, that's going to be a massive film. I would love to see that happen, of course. Top option. The shooting is yet to start, and I am lucky to get that time to prep actually, because I have to do a lot of stunts as well as dancing, and that requires professional training. So shooting is yet to start. Akshay is doing Brothers right now, so I think once he finishes with that, he'll start off. Even Prabhu is shooting, so yeah, we'll be starting soon, but next time. I'm going home, and this time for a longer time rather than just 2-3 days. So I'll be going home, meeting all my friends. It's very cold in Delhi, so although I don't really like winters, but now in Bombay I start missing winters a little because it's just one temperature. So yeah, I'll be going home, meeting all my friends, school, college friends, spending time with my family, just being inside the Razai probably. 2014 बहुत अच्छा रहा. In fact, Heropanti, you know, my debut film, even my first Telugu film also released this year only. So I think it's been a very good year. I've gotten a good response, which is what a newcomer really looks forward to. And that film has done well for me. It's done well for Tiger, for everyone. Sajid has had back-to-back 4-5 hits. So yeah, 2014 has been an amazing year. Thank you. Thank you.
Ugly नहीं बहुत खूबसूरत फिल्म है, brilliant. I've seen it, amazing performance. In fact, I cast Rahul Bhatt after seeing this film in my film Aur Devdas. I've said this before, I'll say it again. Anurag used to almost be like my assistant at one point. I really love him as a director, and I think today he is a kind of inspiration for me. And the world is less lonely because people like Anurag have these guts and make films like this. It's brilliant, and please go and see it. It's very difficult and it's different, and don't go in with similar expectations, and you'll really enjoy the film. And you should see films like this. बहुत अच्छी फिल्म. देखिए, अगली को मतलब मेरे दिमाग में तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं. जब अगली किसी बच्चे के साथ जो बदसलूकी हो तो अगली है. कुछ लोग बहुत अगली हैं, बेहूदे पॉलिटिशियन ख्याल आते हैं जब अगली होता है. अपनी ज़िंदगी के कुछ बड़े सारे बड़े जो तजुर्बे हैं वो ख्याल आते हैं. So I mean, not to do with ugly, but you have to confront ugly, you know, and it's part of reality. So I mean, Anurag has made a really brilliant film, and it's a real character examination. बहुत अच्छी फिल्म, बहुत अच्छी फिल्म. It's his best also. What am I looking forward? I'm looking forward, first of all, completing my own film. I was looking forward, I'm looking forward to Bombay Ventures. I'm looking forward to Imtiaz's film. I'm looking forward to, smaller films and independent films doing better. I'm looking forward to great cinema and an end to the bad star system.
मैं क्या बात करूँ? मेरे पिक्चर है, मैं क्या बात करूँ? पूछो क्या? बोलो क्या पूछना है? कौन? Can't hear you. I'm very happy the film is coming out, and I'm very relieved, and I'm anxious. I want to see how people react to it, because it's. I really think they made a very good film, and it's very emotional and very dark. And let's see what happens. ये सवाल के कितने जवाब दे चुका हूँ. अरे you see, it's a film. After you see the film, it's better to talk about it. यार कौन कहता है प्रमोशन फिल्म के हिसाब से होना चाहिए? हर फिल्म उतना ही बड़ा प्रमोशन करेगी, रिलीज कितनी सी होती है, प्रमोशन इतना बड़ा वो समझ में नहीं आता फिल्म के हिसाब से. थैंक यू सो मच.
Firstly, I've lost my voice, so I'm going to be croaking a little bit. But I look forward to Anurag's movies always, and the promos of this film have been quite tremendous. So I'm really looking forward to watching it. Not for Anurag. Anurag has explored pretty much everything. When we did Dev Me together, we thought that was a different genre. But he's done Gangs of Wasseypur, Black Friday. So Ugly is just up his street, and it's a film that I'm very excited about. Thank you.
क्या ये पहले पिक्चर बोलिए. हाँ बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं ना. ऑडियंस को तो चाहिए, कुछ अलग चाहिए. देखो पीके भी चल रही है तो अगली भी चलेगी. नहीं, उम्मीद तो बहुत है, बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स अ टेरिफिक फिल्म. अनुराग ने बहुत ही अच्छी पिक्चर बनाई है, बहुत ही इंटेंस फिल्म बनाई है, बहुत ही ट्रू ऑनेस्ट फिल्म बनाई है. तो उम्मीद है कि मतलब कि फिल्म बिल्कुल चलेगी. वी होप, फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. उसके बाद नहीं, अगली के लिए हमने क्या किया इस बार के लंबा नहीं किया, बहुत छोटा प्रमोशन किया. तो काफ़ी इंटेंस है, काफ़ी आपको होर्डिंग्स दिखेंगे और काफ़ी सारा पब्लिसिटी दिखेगा, बट इट्स वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड. उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं किया कि 2 महीने से करेंगे, 2 हफ्ते में करेंगे, लेकिन अच्छे से करेंगे. एब्सोल्युटली कॉन्टेक्ट. आई एम स्टार्टिंग भावेश. आई स्टार्ट इन मार्च. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू.
Yes, I know. I'm looking forward to for this, yes.
What are the expectations from the audience that you are thinking?
Well, it's a very dark film. It's a very crazy, it's a very realistic film. So, I think people will connect to it a lot because things like this happen in real life, and there are like 3-4 stories together which have been connected, and yeah, you will see it's a thriller. Yeah. हम एक दूसरे को टिप्स देते रहते हैं. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
इधर है इधर. Ugly. I'm very excited. In fact, I found out when the screening was happening, so I'd gotten in touch with Anurag for that. Very excited because I think it's one of the most awaited films of the year. The underdogs, but still not, you know. And I'm pretty excited because Siddhant is there. The whole bunch is there. I'm very excited for them with Surveen. The whole ugliness, the truth. Things that we hide all the time, the parts about us that we do not like to disclose in front of you guys. So I think a lot of that is going to be seen inside, and yeah, I've heard some very interesting facts about Ugly. So I don't want. Alika, Ugly ka. Mera secret. I can. Sorry, I'm saying this so promptly because मैंने आज ही किसी को बताया था. I can pick locks. I'm very good at picking locks, and that's not a very good thing to be proud of. So. All right, great, thanks, thank you.
Where? Ugly नजर आना क्या? वही तो देख रहा हूँ यार. राइट ही देख रहा हूँ मैं. Okay, thank you. Too many mics, okay. हाँ, बोलिए. अगली भाई अनुराग केशव की पिक्चर है तो पिक्चर जबरदस्त होगी और it'll be a well-made film, will be a film with a lot of content, aesthetic values, and it'll be a believable film and great performances. First thing, पहले इनको जाने दो. मतलब Ugly definitely doesn't look like she's the opposite of Ugly. Now you can go.
Wow, thank you.
Well, I have to see the film, but obviously the expectations are high. But it's not good to see a film with expectations. You should see the film on merit and enjoy the film. I've already given. I've shot a song in Tevar called "मैं तो Superman Salman का fan." I couldn't have given him a better gift. No. Only Arjun Kapoor you'll see.
नमस्कार. हाँ, शुद्ध हिंदी प्लीज. नो, मैं मजाक कर रही हूँ. अच्छा, कौन सा कैमरा में? सेंटर कौन सा? हाँ. Thank you so much. Not really, actually. मैंने बस खाली ये ड्रेस पहनी थी, बीबी का ड्रेस, जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. But yeah, I mean, yeah, it was nothing like that. Actually, the first things that comes to my mind is that there's nothing actually
like call ugly. You know, beauty is everywhere and all. But of course, in this movie, what I understand, it's more about actually the ugliness that can come out from the human being, from the people. So yeah, I guess we all have, you know, yin and yang in us. You know, there are ugly sides in us, and there are beautiful sides in us as well. So. What is that? What? Unusual gift. Wow. पता नहीं, देखते हैं, शायद मैं कुछ केक बनाऊंगी उनके लिए. जी. Actually मेरे घर वाले यहाँ पे हैं मेरे साथ, मॉम एंड डैड. So मैं उनके साथ क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट करूँगी. एंड एक्चुअली एंडी के साथ और उनका फैमिली के साथ हम सब साथ में सेलिब्रेट भी करेंगे. सो या वी विल हैव लाइक अ cozy nice Christmas celebration and हाँ जी. नहीं, एक्चुअली अगर मैं सचमुच बताऊंगी ना तो मैं अपना स्टाफ के साथ हर रोज़ हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ. सो एक्चुअली बिग बॉस के बाद तो मैं मतलब मैंने कंटिन्यू किया अपना हिंदी. सो या आई बीन प्रैक्टिसिंग लाइक एवरी डे. मैं सिर्फ हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ एक्चुअली. सो और अभी मेरा शूटिंग भी चल रहा है ना. जैसे आज तो मैंने 18 आवर्स एक्चुअली शूट किया. हाँ, सो एक्चुअली मैं अभी शूटिंग से आई हूँ. सो या but I'm still having energy. Sorry? Wow. I think I would love to see the three Khans doing a film together. Apart from that, आपने बोला कि सिर्फ एक ऑप्शन में ले सकते हो, है ना? ऑलरेडी मैंने जवाब दे दिया, खत्म बात. मुझे पता है कि आप कौन सा जवाब चाहिए. सॉरी, न्यू ईयर विशेस. वेल मैं बस ये बोलूँगी जो मैं हर बार बोलती हूँ अपना फैंस के लिए कि बस सिर्फ खुश रहो और एंजॉय करो. Of course, I can wish Salman ji happy birthday. मिल गया आपका क्लिप ना? ठीक है? Can I get the bags? Yes. I just wanted to make it as excitingly ugly as possible. This is the best that I could do. Everywhere, everybody. My New Year plans, well, I'm excited that, of course, firstly, Ugly is releasing on the 26th. We're premiering tonight, but it's a good end to the year because we've been waiting for the film to release for a while now. And I think hopefully the year should start really well because it's a great film. And I hope people here in India love the film as much as it has been loved and appreciated all across the borders. Also, my New Year's plan
is that I will be in Bahrain for an event, and then I head back to Bombay and catch a flight straight to Goa for 3 days, and that's the max holiday that I get. हम लोग सेलुलॉइड पे एक्चुअली कोशिश हमारी यही होती है कि हम लोग बहुत खूबसूरती दिखाएं, चाहे वो एक्टर्स हो, चाहे वो फ्रेम्स हो, चाहे वो विजुअल्स हो. ये एक पहली फिल्म है जो आई थिंक बहुत ऑनेस्टी के साथ लाइफ की और हम सब की और हर सिचुएशन की एक अगली ट्रूथ जो होती है, जो हम शायद खुद के साथ भी कभी कभी उसे एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, हम कन्फ्रंट नहीं कर पाते हैं. So I think it's a very honest film, as per what Anurag says and as per what we've seen. उनकी सबसे accomplished film है, उनकी one of the best directorials है ये film. I think that's a good enough reason. Also I think आज के हालात, चाहे हम बच्चों को ले लें या सोसाइटी के हालातों को ले लें, कुछ भी जो भी असली है वो अच्छा नहीं है, वो खूबसूरत नहीं है. अगलियत से असलियत एक्चुअली आज की अगलियत से भरी हुई है, एंड दिस फिल्म इज अबाउट दैट. आई थिंक इट्स इंट्रीगिंग इनफ फॉर पीपल टू गो एंड वॉच इट. बहुत आए दिन होती है हम लोग कभी एक्चुअली अगली इज समथिंग विच आई थिंक हम सब में बसा हुआ है, और सिचुएशन और सर्कमस्टांसेस पर डिपेंड करते हुए ये कभी ना कभी या रोज़ के रोज़ या सिचुएशन टू सिचुएशन बाहर आता ही है. चाहे हम अगर अपने आप को कन्विंस करना चाहें कि हम मैनिपुलेटिव नहीं हैं, हम अपॉर्चुनिस्टिक नहीं हैं, हम ग्रीडी नहीं हैं, हम सब ग्रीडी हैं. आज मैं यहाँ आपके सामने खड़ी हूँ, व्हाई? बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज़ ग्रीडी फॉर सक्सेस. सो ये सब चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो हम लोग कन्फ्रंट नहीं कर पाते और अपने आप को कन्विंस करते हैं कि हम सब वाइट हैं. यू नो, हम लोग जस्टिफाई करते हैं कि फॉर राइट और रॉन्ग रीजंस वी टेंड टू जस्टिफाई जो हम कर रहे हैं. अच्छा, ये तो करेक्ट है क्योंकि हमारे लिए अच्छा है, बट उस हमारे लिए अच्छा में ऐसी कुछ इमोशंस और फीलिंग्स जो स्पॉन्टेनिटी और इंस्टिंक्ट पर आते हैं, वो होते हैं जिसमें अगलीपन कूट कूट कर भरा होता है. थैंक यू. आई एम फ्राइंग नाउ. See anyone. You want me to look there? It was great shooting for the film. It's my second film with Anurag Kashyap, so it was very exciting and very easy to work with him. Comfort level was superb. There are going to be 2 releases next year. I mean this year. Apart from this, there's Baby coming on its way. New Year plans as of now, nothing. I can't travel anywhere, so I'm going to be just at home at a friend's house. That's about it. Wishing everyone a very, very happy New Year. Don't drink and drive, and be safe and happy. Thank you. Thanks. Yes, I'm looking forward for Ugly. I think it's everybody looks forward to an Anurag Kashyap film whenever it's about to release, and Ugly is a little special to me for a different reason, which I think you all will find out soon. एक मिनट मेरा फोन बज रहा है. हाँ.
जनरल नॉलेज.
हाँ? अभी तुम लोग बोल रहे होगे जनरल नॉलेज पूछ के, मैं पूछूं जनरल नॉलेज? मैं.
अरे चोट आई आपको कैसे?
ओ हाँ, वेरी शार्प. मैं वर्कआउट कर रही थी जिम में और मैं पुल अप्स कर रही थी कुछ जंपिंग वंपिंग के साथ और फिर आई बैंग माई हैंड टू द बार, तो कुछ टेंडन का कुछ अवल्जन हो गया है.
और हमने सुना कि काफी सैड है आप शानदार के रैप अप से.
हाँ, we've just wrapped the film yesterday. Night shooting थी and it was the last day of shoot. So obviously I was very upset क्योंकि September से we've been shooting this film non-stop. तो एक almost जैसा परिवार सा बन जाता है and then suddenly वो परिवार ऐसे stop हो जाता है, so it's confusing. So I felt really really sad, but obviously I'm very excited क्योंकि अभी obviously picture खत्म हो गई, मतलब picture release होने वाली है. लोगों को देखने का मौका मिलेगा and I obviously want everybody to see it. I don't think there's anything that I can give him, which probably he doesn't already have. But I'm a very, as Salman, I'm a very fond painter. So something unusual maybe because I like painting with charcoal and so does he. I would make him something with charcoal. Shandar becoming a big hit. New Year plans, I have no idea for now. Mostly I'm going to spend New Year's with my family and my sister this year because I'm not spend any time with them. Resolution मैं बनाती नहीं हूँ क्योंकि I never stick to it. But I feel like 2015 is the year of the body, the perfect body. तो वो ही मैं कर रही हूँ ना, फिंगर तोड़ रही हूँ बॉडी के चक्कर में, मैं कुछ टाउन कर रही हूँ. I don't know, 2015 hopefully will be very exciting. मैं ज़्यादा calculate या plan नहीं करती हूँ क्योंकि I feel it loses the fun.
I just spoke to Ayan 2 days back and he said that very soon, by the end or by the mid of 2015, he's going to start the project that you are very keen on working with Ranveer. So how excited are you?
He said that he's going to start mid 2015. I will call him up right now and ask him if that is true. Of course, I'm very, very excited, but I have no idea when that film is starting. Whenever it does start, I'm obviously going to be more than excited to be on that film working with Ayan and Ranveer. Wishing all the viewers a very, very happy New Year. Please be safe. Please don't drink and drive and have lots of fun. And a very prosperous New Year to you. Happy birthday, Salman. Okay.
Hello, what's up? How are you? Actually, I'm here to wish Anurag because I think the film has started and I got a little late because I was working. But he's one of the finest filmmakers we have in the country and I've loved most of Anurag's work. It's very brave of them to release the film today at such a short notice, and they're all really, really good friends. So I'm here to support them and to say that he's a fantastic filmmaker and everybody out there should go and give this film an opportunity. He usually makes some really amazing films. I remember when Gangs of Wasipur was releasing, it actually released with one of my films, I think Teri Meri Kahani. And it actually did a lot better than my film because it was a better film. And yeah. Well, Vikas is here. Vikas is a part of Phantom and we've just wrapped Shandar yesterday. So we have to be here to support him. Madhu Mantena, who's a dear friend, is also a part of Phantom. So I have to be here to support him. And Anurag Kashyap is just an amazing filmmaker. So I think every actor should come out there and support him. There's enough reason for all of us to be here.
शायद ऐसे क्यों होता है कि आपकी फिल्म रैप अप तक आपका लिंकअप हमेशा बाहर आता है, आलिया के साथ भी आपका लिंकअप हुआ, तो उस बात में कितनी सच्चाई है?
मैं कितनी बार ये क्वेश्चन आंसर करूँ? मैं हर टाइम नया आंसर देने की ट्राई करता हूँ, बट अब मैं बोर हो गया हूँ. मेरे पास कुछ नया बचा नहीं है बोलने के लिए. अब आलिया से पूछो, वो कुछ एंटरटेनिंग आंसर देगी. शी इज फ्रेश, शी इज द यूथ ऑफ द कंट्री. शी विल गिव यू सम वेरी एक्साइटिंग न्यू टाइप ऑफ आंसर. डिड शी गिव यू एनी न्यू आंसर? डिड यू आस्क हर दिस क्वेश्चन? नो. तो मेरे से क्यों पूछते हो यार? Ask the girls. These days the girls are quite smart. Boys are a little innocent. A broken egg. Because you feel like it will be smelly and stuff. A broken egg. If I was a judge in the High Court or the Supreme Court, maybe I could have a take on that. I really don't understand the legal system well enough, but I do trust the legal system that we have in this country. So I would choose to believe that it's completely fair. I really don't think I'm qualified to answer that, honestly. Done? I can go? Thank you.
जी इधर हाँ मैम के साथ Yeah. I'm very excited because I haven't seen this film, and Anurag is one of my favorite filmmakers. Or every time I become a kid when I see his film. अभी मैं एक्चुअली हैदर से बाहर आ रहा हूँ, so I think I'll take some time to decide what I want to do next. नहीं मैं बॉम्बे में ही हूँ. एक दूसरे के लिए तो फिल्म थी कमल हसन की ना. हाँ तो उसको क्या हुआ उसमें? Oh, okay. He was a great filmmaker. I didn't know. When did he pass away? Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. I think it's a loss to the entire film industry. He was a great filmmaker and he introduced so many stars from South. And he was a great filmmaker. I heard great stories about him from Kamalji, and it's a great loss. It's a great loss. Okay. So आप सबको नया साल बहुत मुबारक. Thank you. मुझे इस बारे में कोई नॉलेज नहीं है, so I don't think that I should be able to comment on that.